Welcome back once again to another pizza build at howtocookgreatfood.com. So, if you're not familiar, what's happening here is we're going to be building the pizza. We're not going to be making the sauce or the dough here. Links below, and the videos will pop up at the end for both of them. What we're going to do today is a beautiful shrimp or prawn with some onions. Delicious. Let's get our dough together. Okay, so you saw me get that together. Now, if you use my recipe, you're going to get two of these, two 12-inch, fairly thin doughs there. We're going to put some sauce on there. 1, 2, 3 tablespoons I find to be adequate. And again, if you want to know about this sauce, which is actually a no-cook, super easy sauce, the link is below and will pop up at the end. Okay, let's get some other bits on that. Okay, I'm going to start off by putting in some garlic, some chopped garlic. I like that in there. Wonderful. Now, a lot of people would make this pizza, because it's seafood, with no cheese. You can do it with no cheese or with cheese. Today we're going to go with cheese. So we're going to get some mozzarella on there. I'm using this block mozzarella cut nice and thin. If you want, you can use the grated stuff you can get in a bag already. That looks lovely. Now I've got some beautiful shrimps here, and we're going to go pretty heavy-handed with this. This is a bit of a deluxe one. There's plenty there. Now, sliced onion. I've got some olives here. These are a Kalamata olives, which are fantastic. I love them. And the stones have been taken out of them. I mean, like I say, you can be putting any olives you like on here. We're going to go with some dried oregano. And a little bit, optional, chili flakes. Fantastic. Right, get your oven really hot, maximum heat. That's going to go in my oven at maximum heat for about 6 minutes. That is going to be divine. Okay, and there you go. That was 6 minutes in my oven. That is beautiful. Lovely and cooked around the edge there. Just fantastic. I love that one. Hope you enjoy that. Like I say, if you want to know how to make the dough and the sauce, those videos will be popping up about now. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.